Good morning, everyone. This is Weatherman Nate, and welcome back to another weather video on this glorious January the 8th, 2026. Good morning, and we have a severe weather is getting back active again. Starting today, we have a level 1 risk for severe weather, a large level 1 risk, and then in this area here is just saying a possible risk of a thunderstorm or two. But in the green here is where you can literally get your strongest storms of the day. And we also have a tornado threat, a possible isolated tornado threat. This is a level 1 risk, 2% risk for a isolated tornado. And then we have a damaging wind threat with those thunderstorms and a hailstorm threat in Oklahoma. These storms, we do have some storms out right now. This will go for this morning into this afternoon to this evening. And then we got this day 2, where we really have to lock in. This is moving into the 9th into the 10th. So this is going to be a afternoon, evening, and night in a nocturnal threat, where we have these storms up here are going to move on out, but we're going to have more moisture develop down here, and that's going to lead to our next severe weather threat. And this one could be more significant. I mean, not that significant, but I say a few tornadoes possible. It all depends on storm mode. It's not really a big severe weather event, but I say it all depends on storm mode with tornadoes here. You can see we have a level 2 risk for tornadoes, a 5% risk. This can lead to a few tornadoes possible. It all depends on storm mode. And we have a damaging wind threat. Look at that. Damaging winds with those thunderstorms and a hail threat with those storms. And here is the short range model, the best short range model, the HER model. And as of 6 o'clock this morning, we have some showers and isolated storms down here in Texas and Oklahoma. Let's keep going here. Let's continue here. And this is 7 o'clock. You see they really start to fire up here. And let's see. So this is around 8, 9, 10 o'clock. So this is 10 o'clock today. And it looks like our storms in Texas moving into Oklahoma really starts to fire up. And it becomes a line of storms. You can see this is 12 p.m. today, and our storms become more stronger. And this is just as far as the HER model goes here. You can see this is as far as the HER model goes. And it looks like that we're going to have a snowstorm up here in the upper Midwest, up here in the South Dakota areas, Nebraska areas, and the Great Lakes. And we're going to have a huge snowstorm up there. And you can see this is moving into about our afternoon and evening hours today. Our afternoon and evening hours. And we start seeing more stronger storms here. These can be our possible tornado producers. Let's go back here. These can possibly be our tornado producers. Look at that. We'll start seeing heavier snowfall. Look at that. Snowfall. Now, so yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about with that. And we do have day three. And this goes for the 10th into the 11th. And look at that, my area. Possible risk for some storms. So yeah, y'all, I just really wanted to make this video before I go to school this morning. Have a nice rest. Have a great day today. God bless you all. I pray that you have not a good day, not a nice day, a God day. Have a God blessed day. God bless you all. Put your full trust in God, and put your full trust in God throughout your school day. And God bless you. God bless you this morning. And I'm probably gonna make another video this afternoon or this evening on this severe weather threat, so we can lock in and get, and we're likely going to have more information. God bless you all. Stay weather aware.